Good morning, class. Welcome to our online tutorials, Triple J's Tutorial PH. I am Teacher April Rose Hinerato Hachero. Good morning. Grade 7, alright, so this is our question, for grade 7. Our lesson is about percentage. Now, our question is, Michael's weekly wage increased by 2.5% to $656. So, nag-increase daw yung weekly wage niya, ng 2.5%, naging $656 na. So, what was Michael's old weekly wage? So, ano ba yung dati niyang salary, yung wage niya, ano ba daw yung dating sahod niya kasi ngayon 656 na, 656 na yung dollars ang naging salary niya. So ang hinahanap dito kung ano daw ba yung dati niyang weekly wage, yung dati niyang salary, kasi nag-increase na siya ng 2.5%, sana all may increase, mabuti pa si Michael. Now, to solve this one, so paano natin isolve, Michael's wage increased by 2.5. So, nag-increase siya ng 2.5 tandaan nyo. So, now, the new weekly wage, lagay natin, yung new weekly wage niya is, So, that is 2.5%. So, therefore, nag-increase siya ng 2.5% or that is equal to 102.5%. Bakit ng 102.5%? Kasi nga, percentage yan na, yan. 102.5 kasi nga, nag-increase siya ng 2.5, Yung old wage niya, that is, we need to find the old weekly wage. So, yung old wage niya, yung pangit ng sulat natin, Ang hirap magsulat kapag mouse. So, yung that is 1 or equivalent to 100%. Yan yung old wage niya. Diba? Yan yung hinahanap natin kung ilan daw ba yung dati niyang sahod. To find the old weekly wage, you just need, all you need to do is to find what just 1% is. Yung 1% lang para mas madali mo siyang mahanap, 1% ng 656, yung 1% niya. So, that is $656, Ito yung naging new wage niya, diba? Divided by, that is 102.5%. So, parang ganito yung maging equation niya. O, unknown yan dito. O, hindi mo alam kung ilan yan. Tapos, ito ay 100. Yan, ganun siya, diba? Yan, magiging ganun yung equation niya. Naintindihan? So, meron kang calculator. So, try natin sa calculator, 656 divided by 102.5. Nilagay ko lang yan, So, yan lang. Yan, pwede na yung ganyan. So, $656 divided by 102.5. So, that is 6.4. Ito na yung 1%, diba? 1% is 1% equal to 656 divided by 102.5. Or that is, so, therefore, our 100%, ang 100% natin, was, so, therefore, ito ay equal siya sa 100 times 6.4. So, this is 640. Ayan. So, dito siya nanggaling, Ito yung old wage niya. Naintindihan ba? Hindi? Alright. So, pero mas maintindihan, parang may method 2 din tayo yung we are using division. So, ganito ang gagawin sa method 2 natin, ha? Ito, kung hindi nyo masyado naintindihan yan, meron namang tayong many ways on how to solve it. So, this is yung method 2. Ang gagawin mo lang, that is 102.5, na 102.5% is equivalent to, ano yung equivalent niya? That is equivalent to 1.025. Kasi di ba naka-percent to, so i-ano mo siya, i-move mo yung decimal point niya. So therefore, yung 656, no, yung 656 na ito na salary niya ngayon, no, i-divide mo yan ngayon sa 1.025. Yan. So same answer lang yung makukuha mo doon, no? That is $640. Yan. So Michael's old weekly wage was $640. So letter C yung tamang sagot. Naintindihan? Alright, very good. I hope you learned something, no, for our lesson today. So if you learned something, please don't forget to share this video, no, and please follow our page, Triple J's Tutorial PH. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.